Hello and welcome to my English garden. Going on a train ride. I like trains. I am going on a train ride. Train. My dad likes trains. He can go on the train ride too. Dad. My little sister likes trains. My little sister can come on the train too. Sister. My big brother can ride on the train. He likes trains. Brother. My Gram can ride on the train too. She loves trains. Gram. Gramps can come with us too. Gramp. And Bear likes trains. He can ride on the train too. Bear. Choo choo. Thank you for watching.